Hey, what's going on, everybody? Joe, 690 ADV. How you doing today? Happy Tuesday. Hopefully your day is going pretty good. Mine not bad so far. It's a little chilly, but it's going to be 60 degrees here today, so the riding's going to be nice here in Texas. So if you're going to want to get out and ride, because it's going to be about probably 60, 62 degrees today. Anyway, today, here's kind of a little something to kind of keep your eye on. And I know that it really does get overlooked, and I overlook it all the time, and I have to kind of, mentally, periodically remind myself of maintenance, certain maintenance on my motorcycle. And especially if you're going to go out and do any adventures or anything like that, you definitely want to make sure that your tires, your tires want to be checked. And I don't mean like inflation and stuff like that. What I mean is these rims, spokes. Check your spokes periodically to make sure that they're all snugged up, so that way you don't have a loose spoke. There's nothing worse than being out on the trail and having a spoke come loose and it break away. Those spokes really are the lifeline of your tire, and you just want to make sure that they're definitely nice and snugged up and that you don't have any loose spokes, especially if you're going to be doing a lot of off-road, like with these off-road style type dual sport motorcycles like the KTM, the 300s, KTMs, the Honda CRFs, any of the Yamahas, the WR250Rs, any of that type of stuff. Your bigger dual sports, they're not going to be able to get too crazy off-road. There are some guys that can actually just get crazy on those bikes and actually get them going and jump them and stuff like that. But your more dirt-oriented dual sports, you definitely want to check those spokes periodically on there to make sure those spokes do not come loose on you. So just periodically, just kind of put that on a rotation. Maybe you have a board in your garage or something like that, and check those spokes and make sure that they're not loose. If you bust one loose, man, it can really make that tire get out of balance, and it can be very, very freaky and weird on you. Anyway, hey, that's your tip today on Tuesday, and hopefully you have a fantastic day, and we got some pretty good stuff coming up on Friday. Make sure you check out our Friday video. I'm Joe, 690 out.